where Iran has said the election of a new supreme leader is an internal matter, rejecting any foreign interference over succession of the new supreme leader who will replace Ali Khamenei, who was killed in that Israel-US strike. So now Iran's foreign minister Raghchi has said that the selection of a new supreme leader will be decided by the country's assembly of experts, stressing it's an internal matter for the Iranian people. Let's go back to Aditya for more on this. And Aditya, this even as the news has come that the committee has chosen the new supreme leader, but that name is yet to be announced.
That's right, Gargi. This is the latest interview given by the foreign minister of Iran, Raghchi, who clearly says that the election of the supreme leader now in Iran, it's an internal matter. He is rejecting any kind of foreign interference in this. Earlier, Donald Trump had said that the new supreme leader or the new government in Iran will only be possible if US is on the same page with them and as is Israel. He had also indicated that he will not agree with Mojtaba or any other person related to the Iranian regime as the new supreme leader. So we'll have to wait and watch how things unfold on this matter. As of now, there's no official announcement that has been made on who exactly will be the supreme leader. We have reports that the Assembly of Experts or the Advisory Council, which decides on the new supreme leader, has already met and perhaps has chosen a name as well. But the official declaration and the formality has not yet been done. We'll have to wait how things unfold. Earlier, a date had been announced that it will be done, but then it was postponed because of the fluid situation in Tehran with all the missile attacks that have been taking place in critical infrastructure, including oil depots, oil fields, and also IRGC command centers and police stations. So as of now, the Iranian foreign minister making it clear that the election of the supreme leader will happen. It's an internal matter and no foreign power, including the United States, will have a say on it.